Step into history and gaze upon Delhi's iconic Qutub Minar. This UNESCO World Heritage Site isn't just a monument, it's a journey through time. Standing at 72.5 meters, 237.8 feet, this masterpiece is the tallest masonry tower in India. The monument, constructed from red and buff sandstone in the 12th century, has withstood the test of time. Marvel at its intricate carvings, design, projecting balconies, and staggering height, which has drawn people from around the globe. Qutub Minar, also spelt as Qutb Minar or Qutub Minar, was built by Qutbuddin Aibak, founder of the Delhi Sultanate. It stands tall as a victory tower and is part of the sprawling Qutub complex, an archaeological treasure trove which lies at Lal Kot, Delhi's oldest fortified city founded by the Tomar Rajputs. Come and explore this magnificent piece of history and ancient craftsmanship. At night, the Qutub Minar in Delhi transforms into a captivating spectacle with dynamic lighting highlighting its intricate carvings and architectural details, creating a stunning visual experience. Here's a more detailed description of the Qutub Minar's night view. Illumination. The monument is illuminated with warm, soft LED lights that accentuate the carvings and patterns on the red sandstone and marble structures. Light show. A 15-minute light show, themed on Indian culture, takes place each night at 8:15 p.m., featuring projections of flowing taps, flying leaves, and rotating windmills. Architectural details. The intricate carvings and verses from the Quran, along with the projecting balconies and honeycomb-designed stone brackets, are highlighted by the lighting, making the tower even more remarkable. UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Qutub Minar is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and its nighttime illumination adds to its historical and cultural significance. Experience. Visitors can enjoy a unique opportunity to see the monument in a different light and learn about its history and cultural significance. Timings. The light show happens every day at 8:15 p.m. No one needs an introduction to Qutub Minar, the UNESCO World Heritage Site situated in the heart of Delhi. It is a majestic symbol of ancient Indian grandeur that has stood as a testament to dynasties that have come and gone. Built in the 12th century, the construction was started by Qutbuddin Aibak, the founder of the Mamluk dynasty, and completed by his successors, Iltutmish and Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Its soaring minaret boasts a height of 72 meters, making it the tallest brick minaret in the world, adorned with intricate carvings and ornate balconies. This redstone marvel exudes a captivating aura, making visitors lose themselves in its fascinating legends and craftsmanship the moment they step inside the courtyard. Visiting Qutub Minar has always been a delightful experience since you can't help but be in awe of the beautiful architecture. However, during the night, the grandeur of it only amplifies. The minarets and the remnants of the old structures look ablaze because of the soft glimmer from the LED lights that accentuate the carvings. The golden illumination bounds the space in a halo that is breathtaking. The LED bulbs not only illuminate the minar and the other structures, but they also brighten up the passages and pathways across the complex, which makes it easier to walk around in the dark too. For tickets, you don't have to stand in queue for long hours anymore. There is a QR code that can be scanned for easy purchase of entry tickets. Standees holding the QR code has been placed at strategic spots at the entry gate, which makes the process a breeze. Moreover, you pay less in this process. A ticket for an Indian visitor costs 35 rupees and 550 rupees for foreign visitors if you are using the QR code. But if you don't buy tickets online, one has to pay 40 rupees per Indian national and 600 rupees per foreign national if paying via cash at the ticket counter. Do note, the ticket is valid for only 3 hours from the time of entry. In addition to this, you need to carry a valid photo ID with you for purchasing the ticket. Timings, 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. Last entry at 8:30. The lights are on from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. and architectural splendor. Take a moment to marvel at the Qutub Minar's beauty as it gracefully combines different architectural designs. This architectural wonder is a must-visit tourist spot in India, captivating visitors with its towering presence. The striking contrast of red sandstone and marble, along with the intricate carvings and verses from the Quran, make it truly remarkable. Each story features a projecting balcony encircling the tower, adorned with stone brackets in a stunning honeycomb design. And that's not all. As evening falls, the Qutub Minar takes on a whole new charm, with warm illuminations adding to its allure. It's no wonder that this iconic monument has inspired similar structures like the Chand Minar in Daulatabad, Maharashtra, and the mini Qutub Minar in Uttam Nagar, Delhi. A timeless tower. The Qutub Minar story is one of collaboration across generations. It began in 1199 when Qutbuddin Aibak, a leader under Muhammad of Ghor, laid its foundation for the use of the muezzin, crier, to give calls for prayer and raised the first story. Aibak's successor, Shamsuddin Iltutmish, continued the project by adding 3 more stories. The Qutub Minar also bears numerous inscriptions in Arabic and Nagari characters at various locations, which reveal its history. According to the inscriptions, the Minar was repaired by Firuz Shah Tughlaq and Sikandar Lodi. Centuries later, the monument was repaired and restored with the support of Major R. Smith. It continued to evolve, with Sher Shah Suri, the founder of the Sur Empire in India, building an entrance. Today, the Qutub Minar stands as a testament to the vision of multiple rulers and the enduring power of architecture. Beyond the soaring Minar. If you're up for more exploration, the Qutub Minar surrounding complex offers a treasure trove of history, including the majestic Quwwat ul Islam Mosque, the impressive Alai Darwaza Gate, the intriguing Alai Minar, and the enigmatic Iron Pillar. As you wander through the complex, you'll discover the tombs of prominent figures like Iltutmish, Alauddin Khalji, and Imam Zamin. It's a fascinating journey through time waiting for you to explore.